Welcome back to Lesson Plant Kitchen. Today we're making no sugar, high protein peanut butter cups. With 6 variations, these are all the ingredients you'll need. Gather them up and let's get cooking. Regardless of which variety you make, you'll need 6 tablespoons of peanut butter powder, 6 tablespoons of stevia, and several splashes of soy milk. Each recipe will make about 12 peanut butter cups. Evenly distribute the peanut butter mix, and if you're going for a jam-filled peanut butter cup, each serving is about 1 tablespoon. If you want to make crunchy peanut butter cups, add 6 tablespoons of the textured vegetable protein to your mix. Since our chocolate chips are made with vegetable fat, there's no need to temper the chocolate. However, heat it up in bursts in the microwave and be careful not to scorch it. Compared to store-bought, ours have double the protein, 90% less sugar, more fiber, and 0 cholesterol. The smooth-filled jam ones have only 10 more calories and the same macronutrients. Our crunchy cups with the TVP have about 2 grams more protein and just a little bit more sugar. And like the jam-filled ones from before, add 10 more calories and you're good to go. Whether you like your peanut butter cups smooth, crunchy, a jam, or a mix, you're sure to get your fix with this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and perhaps even subscribe. You can find more recipes on lessonplantkitchen.com and here on YouTube.